Ever been stuck in traffic, wishing you could just zip through it on a bike? Or maybe you have noticed how bike taxis are popping up everywhere, from college kids to corporate hubs. What if I told you you could launch your own bike taxi app and tap into this growing market? Stick around, because in the next 3 minutes, we will show you exactly how to build your own taxi platform step by step. So let's start with the basics. A user opens the app, enters their pickup and drop location and taps Book Ride. Nearby drivers get a ping and the first one to accept heads over to pick up the rider. Payment, easy cash or digital. After the ride, both the rider and the driver can leave reviews. It's quick, seamless and perfect for short city commutes. Here's the deal. Bikes beat cars in crowded cities. They cut through traffic, takes up less space, and are cheaper to maintain. Whether it's students rushing to class, professionals heading to work or food deliveries, bike taxis are the MVP of urban mobility. Apps like Rapido, Uber Moto, and Gojek are already riding this wave. Why not you? Now let's talk about building blocks. You will need a rider app, simple, intuitive, and fast. A driver app with smart route navigation, multiple payment gateways, and trip history. And a powerful admin panel, your command center to manage users, rides, payments, and data. Start by defining your unique edge. Women-only rides, eco-bike rentals, or cashless payments in Tier 2 cities. Your twist is what sets you apart. Don't build just any app. Build one that uses trust and enjoy using. Start with these core features: seamless login and verification. Ensure users can sign up and log in quickly with minimal friction. Real-time driver tracking. Let riders see exactly where their driver is from pickup to drop-off. Instant fare estimates. Provide upfront pricing to build trust and transparency. Multiple payment options. Support digital wallets, UPI, and other local payment methods for convenience. Ratings, reviews, and an SOS feature. Prioritize safety and feedback for both riders and drivers. For the driver app, a clean, intuitive dashboard, trip and payout summaries, integrated live navigation. Ensure everything works smoothly even on low-end devices. A fast, reliable experience across all phone types is key to user retention and satisfaction. Before you go live, test everything, and I mean everything. From login glitches to map errors, every bug you fix now saves you a customer later. Once it's all good to go, launch on the Play Store or App Store and start marketing. Want to skip the skip and trial error and go live fast? At Quickworks, we offer ready-to-launch white-label bike taxi app solutions tailored to your needs. From feature-packed rider and driver apps to a powerful admin panel, we have got you covered. Click the link in the description below and book a free demo with Quickworks today.